Maybe you've been here. You're presenting your slides online and really need a way to write on your screen to focus your audience's attention. Or you're putting together a product walkthrough and need an easy way to capture a lot of screenshots and video recordings. If any of these scenarios sound familiar, or you're looking to add some tools in your presentation toolkit, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to show you 5 apps available on Setapp that can help you level up your presentations, whether it's helping capture awesome screenshots to making your live presentations better. Before we jump into it, if you like tutorials on how to improve your video production and live streaming skills, make sure you click that subscribe button below. Now let's check out the apps. CleanShot X is a handy screenshot and screen recorder. This is great for capturing screenshots of your websites for your presentation or for creating how-to videos, product demos, or tutorials. First off, when loading the app, it will clear your desktop icons so you can take clutter-free shots. You can also turn off notifications to prevent any recording interruptions. When taking screenshots, you'll have the option to add annotations, highlights, or blur parts of the image. It's also got the super handy scroll capture option to capture the entire length of a web page. No more stitching images together. For screen recordings, it has the standard options you'd find in QuickTime Recorder, like recording a full screen or only a section, but one of the handiest features that makes this great for doing tutorials is you can also highlight your mouse clicks and turn on the keyboard display to show what keys you're pressing when doing keyboard shortcuts. And like popular screen recording apps like Loom and Cloud App, you can also turn on your webcam and microphone for picture-in-picture recording. CleanShot X is a useful and powerful app to capture whatever is on your screen. Capto is another screen capture tool with a lot of similar features to CleanShot X, like annotating screenshots, capturing full web pages, and screen recording controls like highlighting mouse clicks. Where it stands out is its basic editing tools. You can combine multiple screen recordings, add annotations to your video, not just your still photos, or do basic audio editing without sending your files to another editing app. So a super handy all-in-one app if you take a lot of screen recordings, need to keep them organized, and need a way to easily put them together to create basic tutorials or walkthroughs. Now these apps have basic features to turn off notifications and clear your desktop, but let's say you're presenting live off your computer or screen sharing over Zoom. You want to quickly have a way to turn your computer into presentation mode, and that's where PliimPRO comes in. Pliim is a little app that lives in your menu bar. It's got a big toggle to enter presentation mode. When entering presentation mode, you can hide your desktop icons and change your desktop wallpaper to something completely different. It can turn off notifications, hide all your active apps, and turn off your speaker. You can also create a shortcut to instantly mute your microphone. So a super simple but super handy app to quickly clean up your computer's visuals when sharing your screen. Next up, we've got Presentify. If you're the type of presenter that loves marking up your screen, then Presentify is the app for you. Another menu bar app, once activated, Presentify turns your mouse into a marker, letting you write and mark up your computer screen no matter what app you're using. You can change the marker color, switch to arrows, shapes, or text. You can increase the thickness and turn on highlight mode so the lines are translucent and you can highlight over text. You can also turn on a whiteboard if you need to quickly write out something on a blank screen. Plus, if you're doing a live demo, you can highlight your cursor so its location is always known. And if you want a more traditional writing experience with a pen and you have a tablet or iPad paired with your computer, you can write directly on those devices to annotate your screen. An overall handy app that blends the utility of presenting with whiteboards and markers right inside your computer. Lungo is a super simple app that does one thing really well. It prevents your computer from going to sleep or turning on the screensaver. I use this all the time if I set up my computer for a presentation, but it will be a while before I actually present and I don't want the screensaver or the screen to shut down. I'll also use this if I need to monitor something like a live stream status, and I definitely don't want my computer to go to sleep during that. So for times when you need to set your computer up before something important and you don't want to keep having to shake up your mouse, Lungo is a handy app to solve that. And I know I said 5 apps, but here's a bonus one because it's not actually presentation related, but CleanMyMac X is a must-have for Mac computers. I didn't even get CleanMyMac through Setapp. I had purchased it years before and keep upgrading when new ones come out because it's so handy. Its main feature is to scan your computer to clear out your cache, free up space, optimize your computer's performance so it's super fast. I run this anytime I have to do a live stream or other mission critical task and I need my computer running at its best. It also has a bunch of other handy utilities like a malware scanner, secure app remover, space scanner to visualize your hard drive usage, large and old file detector, and a lot more. And that's it. I hope you found this useful. Definitely give Setapp and the tools I mentioned a look. One thing to note, Setapp is Mac only. If there's an app you use to help you present that I left out, please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos like our guide on creating awesome live streams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.